Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies and 4x4. In here today, we've got a brand new N90 Hilux. It's going to go get one of our 2100 aluminium toolboxes on the back and a couple of ladder racks fitted as well. It should be a pretty straightforward install. We'll get right into it. ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 here. We've got a brand new N90 Hilux in. That's why I'm walking to the front of the car so that you guys can see it's the new front end, you know. And I already said it, but I really do like the new look of the N90 Hiluxes. I think that it has a very welcome visual upgrade. But more importantly, what have we done for this one today? We've gone ahead and fitted one of our flat plate 2400 millimeter long aluminium canopies, and we've gone ahead and added 3 ladder racks on top of it as well. These things are the epitome of quality. A pair of whale tail locks on either side with 2 points of locking on each lock, which means a total of 8 locking points to make sure that all your bits and pieces stay safe inside, right? We want to make sure that we are making it as difficult as possible for them thieving bastards to get into your tools. You can have a quick look at this one. You can see just how extensive the reinforcement is on the front. On the rear, if you wanted to fit your jerry can or your spare wheel or whatever it might be, you've got the reinforcement on the back of it as well. You've got the U-channel that goes all the way around, so if you want to put separators, dividers, whatever it might be, your drawer systems, you absolutely can as well. You've got the reinforcement on the back side of the door to make sure that there is no flexing when it comes down. So very, very straightforward, a very high quality aluminium box, if we do say so ourselves. If you want to grab one, you can grab one online at ozcanopies.com.au. Alternatively, you can get one for yourself by giving us a call on 0296278666, and we'll go through all the fitting for you like we've done for this customer here. Alrighty, other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.